Hi, my name is Mahima Yadav and I'm a software engineer. So today I'm going to share with you how to prepare for DU MCA entrance and what is the syllabus of entrance and what type of questions they will ask for that. Okay, so we'll talk about admission criteria. What is the criteria and how many seats are for general, SC, ST, category wise and all. Okay, so here admission criteria is depend on entrance exam and merit also, but right now they didn't count merit. Okay, and so here total seats are 58 and for general 23. Okay, and for SC 09 9 seats, ST 4, OBC 16, and there will be some other categories which is like EWS, PWD, CW, and sports category also it belongs. Okay, so that is also having 2-3 seats for that. Okay, and so here we'll go about the eligibility in entrance category. Okay, so here any bachelor degree for the University of Delhi or any other university whose examination is recognized as equivalent to that of University of Delhi with at least one paper in mathematical science. Okay, so this is basic for the like MC entrance. Okay, like mathematics is required in every exams. Without mathematics you cannot take admission in MCA. Okay, so mathematics, computer science, statistics, operational research. Okay, these are basic points. Okay, so under annual mode at least 2 papers in mathematical science, mathematics, computer science, statistics, operational research in semester mode. Okay, so these are basically needed. And what about the marks and requirements? So 60% of marks in aggregate of equivalent of CGPA as per university norms whenever wherever it is applicable. So you have to prepare, you have to gain at least 60% in your graduation, otherwise you will not take admission in DU. And still this is also applicable for NIMSET. You will not take admission in NIMSET if you don't have like 60% of marks. And some more universities are there like BHU, JNU, and Tejpur University. These are not dependent on like 60% degree. They are like using minimum 50% or approx 60% marks. Okay, so they like some universities are there, and I don't know about like some private college which is like taken admission in below 60%. Sorry, I didn't remember. Still, I'll just check and let you know. Okay, so admission procedure we'll discuss here. Like admission to MCA program is based on entrance exam, like I have already told you, and it is like 2 hours duration. It is given 2 hours. You have to complete your exam in 2 hours only. And for other thing, the rules of University of Delhi self, like I have already opened the DU site, so I'll just whatever the information I'm giving you, it's really it is already mentioned in DU sites. Okay, so you can check also okay what I told you it's correct or not. Okay, and what about the pattern ki how many questions are coming in like exams and what is the syllabus. So here 4 sections are there: English, mathematics, computer science, and logical ability. As I have told about the NIMSET also, so these like standard pattern follows there also. So like in English 10 questions are there, mathematics 30 questions, computer science 4, and logical ability it's 6. It's like total we have 50 questions. So out of 50 questions we have in English in 10 questions, and in mathematics 30 questions, and computer science 4 questions, and logical ability it has like 6 questions. Okay, so according to that we have prepared for like DU MCA. Okay, and for any queries this is not related to us. uh, so we'll go about the like syllabus in mathematics. So we'll just check. Okay, so in mathematics we have calculus, geometry and vector calculus, algebra, matrices, groups, rings, vector spaces, real analysis, infinite series, Riemann integration. Okay, so these are some topics which is really needed. Okay, so they are coming in our entrance. And in computer science we have some topics like data representation. This is basically coming. Okay, and for reasoning, logical ability. So everybody knows about logical ability, what type of questions is coming in like logical ability. It's like clock and calendars, and sitting arrangement, and number series, and puzzles, and so many questions, like so many topics are there. So I will check, and like I will describe in my description box, so you can also check for. And in English comprehension. Okay, so you have to prepare according to that. But in mathematics I will tell you about like which type of questions are coming. So it is really as I have already discussed, like told you, like DU standard is high. So according to that, like questions are related to BSc only. Okay, and so you have to prepare the level of BSc. Whatever you did in your BSc, you have to prepare all the questions, because like in DU MCA entrance, some standard you maintain. So it's tough, a little bit tough, like if you are compared to NIMSET and other universities exam. So little bit tough. It's not more than that. Still, you have to like more concentrate about some higher topics. Okay, and for it has also interview for selection in DU. So before like after given the entrance exam, your merit list will come. After that they will select for interview, and after interview they will like take admission process and all. Okay, so but right now because of this COVID they didn't consider about the interview process. Okay, so they are like direct taking admission in your entrance merit list. Okay, so whatever you got in your entrance, like marks and all, so according to that they will take admission. Okay, so it's like you have totally dependent upon like your entrance exam. So be prepared well, and if any other questions are there, you can just like write a message or something. You can also ping in my group, and you can also like write in my comment. So if like I will when I will free, and I will check, and I will reply back. Okay, and please don't mind in my like language and all. So I'll just prepare for you only. So please take care of that, and don't mind it. I will just try to tell you whatever like what you want. Okay, so I will try more to explain about like how the things are going on. Okay, so thank you.